We just turned our HotShot A-10 on and the Anova reads 30 degrees Celsius. To take the temperature of the oil, you'll want to point directly into the oil, not the surrounding oil tank, and it reads 28 degrees. Now that the HotShot A-10 has been on for 30 minutes, both the Anova and the oil contents are up to temperature. The Anova was given a goal temperature of 77 degrees Celsius and will maintain that. To check the temperature of the oil, you'll once again point directly into the oil. The oil reads at 61 degrees, which is just a 16-degree difference, and you're ready to start filling.